Hello aspirants, welcome to Career Launcher UPSC CSAT YouTube channel. Welcome to the world of ultimate UPSC CSAT learning. Today I'm going to tell you why this is the only YouTube channel that you need to subscribe, follow for your UPSC CSAT examination requirements. So this channel will have structured daily session focused on CSAT. So you'll have daily sessions specifically focused on CSAT topics, CSAT sections. You'll find expert faculty and guided learning. These sessions will be driven by faculties from Career Launcher. These faculties will have decades of experience in teaching aptitude. They have been teaching aptitude from 20 years, 30 years, and they're gonna come onto this channel and teach you tips and tricks about CSAT topics. We'll have section-wise practice and strategy sessions. So you'll have practice session, you'll have strategy sessions section-wise. So for Quant, you have a different faculty, different strategy session. For reasoning, you have a different strategy session. So every topic, every section, you'll have dedicated strategy session, practice session for on CSAT topics. You'll also have success stories to keep you inspired. So not only will cover the concepts, will also cover the strategy, but will also cover the success stories of different students so that you'll be inspired while your journey of your UPSC examination. Now, what will be the weekly schedule? So there is a very defined weekly schedule of this YouTube channel. So every Monday, Wednesday and Friday, you'll have strategy and general topic videos. Okay, so you'll find topics like how to prepare, how to start CSAT preparations, regarding CSAT syllabus, regarding exam taking strategy. All these strategy session will be on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And on Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday, you'll have concept session. Every Tuesday, you'll have English comprehension. Every Thursday, you'll have reasoning. And every Saturday, you'll have maths and quant session. And on every Sunday, you'll have those success stories that will inspire you to keep preparing with more hard work and with more zeal. All these sessions will be posted at 7 p.m. daily. So every day 7 p.m. you'll have one session, one video dedicated to CSAT. On Monday, Wednesday, Friday it will be strategy or general topic. On Tuesday it will be English comprehension. On Thursday it will be reasoning. On Saturday it will be maths quant, and on Sunday it will be a UPSC success story. If I break down section wise, so in comprehension, we're gonna cover the pattern, we're gonna do practice sessions, we're gonna do sample and previous year questions. In logical reasoning, we'll do concept session, we'll do tips and tricks, and we'll do practice sets. In mathematics or quant, we'll do formula based problem solving, we'll do mock questions. In exam strategy, common pitfall, how can you maximize your score, how can you take examination effectively, all those important things that you need to know before taking your CSAT examination. And the success story will give you stories from different students' life who have become IAS officer, IPS officer, IFS officer, who have overcome a lot of obstacle and then finally are into services. We want you to know their stories so that you'll be keep inspired to go on and on and on with your preparation and crack the examination finally. Now let me tell you about the faculties who are gonna come and teach those sessions on this CL UPSC CSAT YouTube channel. So I'll be taking your strategy and exam insight session. Abhilasha ma'am, who has 20 plus years of experience in aptitude, VARC, she'll gonna take your English comprehension. Shashank sir will take your logical reasoning. Naveen sir will take your quant and mathematics. Naveen sir again 30 plus years of teaching experience, of which 22 plus years in aptitude only. And Govind sir will take your general knowledge and current affairs session. So we'll also have weekly current affairs and important topic current affairs session in between. So all the faculties comes from Career Launcher house. So let me also tell you about Career Launcher. So Career Launcher is the pioneer in CSAT coaching. When in 2011 UPSC introduced CSAT paper in the prelims examination, Career Launcher was one of the first institute to start CSAT preparation coaching programs. It was the most sought after at that particular time between 2011 to 2014, when CSAT examination marks are being counted for the prelim score. It was the #1 choice of the students at that particular time. between 2011 to 2016, Career Launcher prelim success rate, the student who have joined Career Launcher for CSAT and who have qualified prelims, it was 2 times of the actual, the number of students who have applied for UPSC examination and the number of students who have cleared prelims. The UPSC exam actual average, Career Launcher has double the success rate. And we have 29 years of aptitude preparation experience. So from past 29 years, Career Launcher is into aptitude preparation. So we are the expert of aptitude. We are the #1 leader in aptitude preparation in India. Also, Career Launcher have also introduced their CSAT programs, their paid CSAT programs, which will give you in-depth knowledge, which will start from very basic concepts, which will teach you everything which is there in the syllabus of CSAT and which will make sure that you qualify for CSAT examination in the prelims. Let me tell you, last 3 years paper, it was very difficult, CSAT papers. Even, scoring the qualifying marks was a task. And there are a lot of examples, hundreds of examples where students have cleared the cutoff of General Studies paper 1, but they have failed to clear the cutoff for CSAT. So do not take CSAT lightly. That is why Career Launcher have reintroduced the CSAT examination preparation courses. And now you can join the expert in aptitude for your CSAT exam preparation. So Career Launcher came up with CSAT online course. So you can do your, complete CSAT course preparation online through this CSAT online course. You also have an option of joining only for quants or only for verbal and reasoning, in case that is the requirement. And then you also have the most realistic CSAT test series to go for, which you can join, which comes from the house of Career Launcher. Let me give you a little detail about the program. So in CSAT online course, you have 150 hours of live interactive classes. You can ask your doubt. The teacher will come. Every class you'll have practice test. There'll be live practice available inside the class in every class. The complete syllabus will be covered as per the UPSC syllabus. You'll also have the full-length test series part of the CSAT online program. So you have 12 full-length mock tests. You will also have 10 sectional tests. In all, there'll be 3,000 plus practice questions that you'll do in the whole program. As I told you, there'll be practice test and doubt solving in each class. You'll also get hard copy of study material. The faculty comes from the Career Launcher house, so they'll be the best in the market in terms of aptitude preparation. You'll also get mock analysis and video solution of the full-length mock in the test series. You'll have a My Zone where you'll get a lot of study material in online format and all your classes will be available in video format in the My Zone. And you'll get the access till Prelims 2025 examination. So this particular course is targeted towards UPSC 2025 Prelims. Also, you will have an option of joining separately CSAT test series, which will have 12 full syllabus mock tests. You'll have 10 sectional tests, live analysis, video solution. These mocks will be specifically tailored on last 3 years paper exam pattern. So you'll get actual examination like mock as realistic as possible, and there'll be a lot of unpredictability in these mocks, just like UPSC does. If you go through the last 6 years paper analysis, there is a lot of unpredictability, there is a lot of pattern change, and we'll gonna follow the same structure. You'll have the realistic experience as close to UPSC prelims as it can be. The test will be available both offline and online format. Offline, it is available in Delhi near Karol Bagh, and online you can give it from anywhere. My Zone again is part of test series also, and the access will be till prelims. So this test series is also targeted towards UPSC CSAT 2025 paper. So just ensure you follow this channel, you subscribe to this channel. We're gonna start with our classes from tomorrow, 7 o'clock. So every day from tomorrow, 7 o'clock, you will have a CSAT focused video. It will be either on strategy or quant or reasoning or comprehension or success story as I given the schedule. So every Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you will get the strategy videos, and every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, you will get the class videos, the topic videos, and on Sunday, you'll get the inspiring stories video. So don't wait, subscribe to the channel right now, and we're gonna meet soon with another engaging videos on CSAT.